Hi everyone, my name is Addon Cosmos. Today I'll be showing you how to install a WordPress on an add-on domain easily. After watching this video to the end, you'll be able to install a WordPress on an add-on domain. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. We would start by logging into cPanel. As you can see, this is my cPanel, which I have here. Now, if you look at the hand side, you notice my primary domain, which is sarcosmosword.com. Let's go to the add-on domain to see the domain we would like to install our WordPress on. Now, this is the domain website school.xyz would like to install our website or WordPress on. In order to do that, let us scroll down to the Softaculous app installer section. We'll scroll to the Softaculous app installer section. Here we see WordPress. All you need to do is to click on WordPress, and as it loads, you click on what install. Now, the most important thing you need to note while doing this is to choose installation URL. You see, our primary domain is a Cosmos Word, but that is not the domain we would like our WordPress to be on. All we need to do is to choose website school.xyz. Now, we successfully choosing that. All we need to do is to set up admin username is website school site school, and also admin password. I like to hide this, and then now you can see my password is very strong. You would like to make sure that your password is very strong. Now this is our admin email, where would receive emails when we've insert email to this website. Also, you like to select the language to be English, and also the login attempt, you like to leave that on. And also, if you want to set up advanced option, maybe disable update notification from emails, you want to do that, you also set, but I would like to leave my like this. And then all you need to do is to, before we click on the install, we need to set up our email installation details, an email where we get details concerning our installation. All I need to do is to copy this, copy and paste, but and paste it here. So this is email where we would receive our installation details, and then click on install website. As you can see, it's taking a little bit of time, but in this time it will load. Yes, we can see, congratulations, the software was successfully installed. Now, for us to be able to access our backend or to log into our WordPress website, all we need to do is to copy this URL, copy, and then open any tab and paste and enter. You see, uh, we successfully installed our WordPress website. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notification when I post a new video. Thank you.